It's become very evident to us that quality is our most paramount kind of value add to the customer, high quality. So we consider ourselves internally to be high quality installers. And I can't manage quality unless I own all the parts to it. So everything from start to finish we provide.
We don't subcontract our installations. We don't subcontract anything because there may be an economic reason to do that in the short term, but long term, what we want is a happy customer.
Our goal is definitely never to have to go back to a job site, ever. You know, we just want to install a system and we want to do it right the first time.
So I'm not just selling you solar and then turning around and subcontracting this work to some other company. Because if you have problems down the road, I want you to be able to call me and we'll take care of it. And we've done the work. And I can only do that if we do all the work.
The sales piece is actually pretty easy at the end of the day. And the more convincing a sales guy is, the easier it is to get a signature on a contract. And then the operations team or the operations company has to go and execute on it. And so finding a company that's willing to own that whole process, they can't point fingers at somebody else, everything points back towards them, is important.
I've always loved installing solar and being a part of this industry, but to be able to control every aspect of the customer's experience and our experience. You know, it really is cool what we're doing.
We don't really consider ourselves to have done a great job if we do your system and you don't tell anybody, because that means you probably had a so-so experience. We want you to have just an absolutely phenomenal experience.